I'll teach you everything you need to know about advanced vector 3 in 5 minutes. This is just some cool stuff that I thought I would mention since we're learning about vector 3s. I was just thinking about you guys, and comment down below. Thank you for thinking about me and showing me this cool stuff. The cool thing I want to show you is finding the distance between 2 points. We're going to use these 2 parts. Let's get rid of this rotation. I want to use these 2 parts to symbolize 2 points in space because points have a position and these have a position. Let's just position them randomly within space. I don't know, like that. And I want to show you how to find the distance between them. So this green part is part A, and this red part is part B. Get used to that during the series. If you see a green part and a red part, green part is going to be part A, red part is going to be part B. And oftentimes you don't need a part, you just need a position, but I like using parts to help you visualize where they actually are. And I want to make them into like a little cube. We'll make this into a 2 by 2 by 2. So these are 2 points in space. The way you get the distance, and I'll put this in a variable, between 2 points is just part B's position minus part A's position. And then we put that in parentheses and do dot magnitude. And I'm going to show you why this works first. That might be a little confusing in 3 dimensions, but I'll just show you in a 1 dimension. Okay, so right here we have 1 dimension. Just think of this as the x-axis. Let's say part E is currently at position 2, and part B's position is currently at position 8. So this has a position of 2 and this has a position of 8. What is the distance between them? What is this distance? Well, if you're smart, you can probably figure out that you can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the answer is 6. However, you could just do this position minus this position and get 6, which is basically what you're doing. Subtracting is also known as the difference because you want to know how different these are, aka how different their position is. It's 6 units difference because they're 6 spaces away. You do this by subtracting part B's position from part A. You could also do part A's position minus part B and then take the absolute value of that because 2 minus 8 would be negative 6. And the units is still right, but it's just the wrong direction, but it's fine. The number is what we care about, the actual distance. And then we write dot magnitude. I'm not going to get into vector math right now, but we want a number. I'll just say that we want a number, and dot magnitude lets us get that number. So let's print out this distance and see how far away these two are. Comment down below your guess. I'm gonna guess 35 studs. I was way off. It's 21. Yikes. Cut that out. Just kidding. I'm the editor. But yeah, this magnitude is just a property of vector 3. Like one of those read-only properties like the size.x or stuff like that. We can read it, we can print it out, but we cannot set this equal to something.